End-to-end automated analytics is marketing and sales analytics in the form of specially organized statistical data that allows to track the full path of the client from the moment he was shown an advertisement to the moment he made a real purchase. At the time when standard analytical platforms provide analytics only up to the level of registration of a potential client. End-to-end analytics, first of all, makes it possible to see whether a particular launched advertising campaign is generating sales. Based on this, we can timely redistribute the advertising budget in favor of effective campaigns in order to scale them and disable unprofitable advertising campaigns. In addition, due to the high level of data detail, it is possible to evaluate effectiveness in the context of advertising channels, advertising groups, products, departments, sales specialists, and time frames. For example, specific days, periods, months, years. The stages of the funnel of the following structure are analyzed. Advertising investments, impressions, clicks, registrations or leads, including details of the internal funnels in the sales department, registration, acceptance, support, closing, etc. And of course, purchase, the last, or buyout. And we can make comparison in different currencies. Indicators in report. As I said before, ads costs, revenue, impressions, cost per impression, CPM, clicks and CPC, cost per click, and CTR, as conversion to registration, conversion click-through rate and registrations conversion, CPL, cost per lead, CPO as cost per buyout order, percent of not target leads, conversion to buyout, and of course payback, such as ROAS, for example, return on ad investment, or ROMI. Also average bill per order, order cycle in days, and others. These indicators we can see in all visualizations and tables in this report. Based on these indicators, marketolog can make a fast calculation plan. Next page in this report, we can see these indicators by days. We can find a specific campaign. In the filter. Also, we can filter data by ad accounts. For example, Ads Manager, Google Ads, also by ad channel, for example, Google, Facebook and Instagram, email, bot. We can see the figures of weeks. Next page, we can see analytics by months, by periods, year and months. We have all the same. We have the same filters, and also we have charts. Distribution of ads cost by ad accounts, a distribution of revenue by ad accounts, for example, and comparison of ROAS by ad accounts. Next, we have some visualizations pages with the filter, and we can see the dynamic of ads cost, revenue, and ROAS, CPL and CPO indicators. Next visualizations is impressions and clicks dynamics, CTR, conversion to registrations, leads, conversion to buyout, and average bill. Next visualization is dynamic of structure changes, structure changes in terms of internal stages in CRM. For example, connect with client, create bill, closing, and etc. Also, in end-to-end analytical projects, we have pages with statistic by managers. We can use filter by products. And also we can see diagram with distribution of leads by internal stages in CRM, and also we can filter it by managers or products simultaneously. Also we have a chart with dynamic of revenue and average bill. Also when I can filter by manager and product for this chart. Next pages is analytics for products, the same structure of pages. We have filter by managers, and also we have charts with dynamics of leads and buyout and conversion to buyout. Next pages is managers and products by months. Another time period, but indicators are the same. And also we have some additional diagrams with distribution of revenue, leads by products and by managers. Also, we have statistics of calls. Amount of calls, successful calls, unsuccessful calls, percent of unsuccessful calls, duration, average duration of successful calls, duration of expectation, average duration of expectation of successful calls, average duration of expectation of unsuccessful calls, maximum duration of calls, and percent of time for expectation. And also we have some dynamic with the amount of unsuccessful calls and successful calls. Next pages is charts for LTV, lifetime value of clients. Can switch on some currency. And the last pages, we also can create analytic ABC XYZ analysis with segmentation products by these categories. I used such toolkit as Python and R to create API scripts, and with the help of these API scripts I pulled data from Facebook, from CRM, from Google Ads, from Google Analytics 4, from web, and from Binatel telephony. Also, we can use commercial connectors such as Epix Drive or Zapier. I use RDP or VM as server. DVH for data is Cloud MySQL. And also in the database, I create many SQL auto scripts to handle data. And of course, to publicate this report, we use Power BI service. This is simple design in this report, but it is very useful report, I believe.